Hello and welcome to the new video where we will tell you about how you're going to work with the platform LUNIS at our course Flex 3 at Komvux Södervärn. First, you will need your login information that you will receive from your teacher when you start the course. When you log in, the first page that you open is the page with the blog. Here in the blog, we will post the most important information or update information about the course, about for example, if the school is closed, or if there is any event this day, or maybe something that we think that you should know first. So take a look at this first when you log in. Here on the left side, on the right side, you will see your teachers. If you forget how we look like, don't forget us. Here's the open hours. If you forget them, you just take a look again. It's just very easy to find. And down here, you will find the open hours for the library. If you, for example, want to borrow a book, or if you want to sit there and practice, if our class is closed, you're always welcome to the library. Here is again the reminder for you that you need to send a mail to our school if you, for example, cannot come to school for the entire week or longer. Here up here in the blog, you find some extra links or pages that you can use. The most important is course information, is to be reminded about our rules at Flex 3. Yes, here it is. There's information in English and also information in Swedish. Don't forget and take a look again if you do. Information about NP. NP means the national test for SFE. You will take a national test twice during your study when you finish the course C and when you finish the course D. This information is in English, is in Swedish. In English, you will not need it. If you finish the course, you will be able to understand the content of this video. Here in the bottom, you will also, in this file, you will find in our rules concerning the national test at our class. Brålänkar is just some links that we will be updating and putting some extra ones. There are links that you can use if you want to practice extra on some skills. And also if you want to watch video, for example, a film, instead of practicing, if you're tired of practicing here on a platform, you can just go here and watch a movie and try to relax learning Swedish. Can be also fun. Here is some news, which is also good, and all of this news are in easy Swedish, so it's nothing very advanced. It's mostly for your level. Next, here are films. As I said earlier, these films that are lectures about, for example, how you can write a letter or another type of the text, and also lectures about some grammar moments, grammar rules. Here on top, we're going up here. Here you will find information about yourself. I'm not going to do it in this video, but you can just click and see your email and your password, for example, and so on. Notiser means notifications. Your teacher will try to contact you, or not to contact you, but try to send you, for example, a corrected text that you have written and sent, and then if it's corrected, you will receive a notification that you can take a look at and send it back again after you have corrected it. And also, if you need to do a lecture that the teacher finds obligatory, you will also see a notification that you have to do it primarily. Chat, here you can send a message to your teacher right away, and probably we will answer you without any hesitation during our working hours. Just anything about the platform, about the school, about open hours and so on is very convenient. Don't forget that. Hem, that's the most important. That's the content of the course. Everything is here. If you're taking the course C, as this particular student is assigned to, it will look like this for you as well. If you're taking the course D, it will look a bit differently. The course C, the first one here, is the one you have to follow through entirely or mostly. When you open it, you see that this course consists of several chapters. In this one, in course C, it's 7 chapters. The ones that you can see a lock on means that you cannot do it yet because you have to do the first one. In order to continue, you have to talk to your teacher. When you have done one chapter, automatically the teacher will allow you to go to the next one. So everything, do it in the right order. Otherwise, it's not easy to learn, just jumping from one to another. So when you go to the one that is open for you, you see that the chapter consists of, in this case, it's 29 lectures. Every lecture consists of the exercises. When you open, please just do it in the right order. Do not mess it up. It's not going to give you any good. Go to the first one. If you do it for the first time, you will not have this notification. If you get it, it means you have already started and you continue from the place you were. If you want to do it from the beginning, just press this one. Stop and start from the beginning. Here you see the first lecture. You can listen, you can read through this information. If you are here, is the first page of the lecture. Read through it before you go to the exercises. When you have read, please press here and you will see the first exercise. I'm not going to do the exercise right now because it will take too much time, but you can see that this lecture consists of 4 pages. So it means 3 exercises. This is number 2 here. If you forget the information from the previous page, you can always press here, Visa övningsinformation. Here you see the lecture again from the beginning. If you just want to be reminded, take a use of this button. Don't forget that it's there. Here we go. So you can always go back home, and here you see again this, we have course C, and this course C, BC, it's extra material for you who cannot, for example, if you want to practice extra on some part of the lectures that you've done in a course, or especially some grammar parts you can find here, if you look through it, and just practice just on that moment. But it's better if you talk to teacher about what we recommend you to do instead of just doing everything in this part of the course. Here, down here is extra material. This is really good. If you know that one of the skills you're particularly struggling with, pronunciation, speaking, listening, writing, reading, go here, start doing this. If you need more information or an advice from the teacher, don't hesitate to ask. You can always chat to us, as I said here in the beginning in the chat. Here we go. This button shows that when you log in and open home, this button shows you can just continue from the moment where you were last time before you logged out. Inlämningsuppgiften, that's an important button to know. If you send something to us to be corrected and then you missed the notification or you pressed but you didn't follow, it might disappear here and you just cannot find it. Just press this button, you will see all this text that you wrote to us and they were corrected by us. You will find them here. Lexor, this is something we will send you to do if we feel like you need to practice on something we find important just for you. You will find it here. That was all the information about this platform. If you have any more questions or if you don't understand something of what I've said, please talk to your teacher We are always for you during our open hours. Welcome to our course. Thank you.